So in our previous video we have done small things with the draggable. So here in this video we will do some more example of the draggable, that is concentrated movement. Okay, so what the concentrated movement over here is, that I can be dragged vertically. Okay, it says that I can be dragged vertically, and it says that I can be dragged horizontally. So how we can achieve these two over here? So here we go in view source over there, and you can see over there is style is written as draggable class is made over there. Width is 90 pixel, height this, padding, and so many defines. And there is two IDs defined: IDs draggable, draggable 2, and margin set for margin bottom is set equal to 20 pixels. And draggable, if we use class draggable, the cursor will be of this size, and if we use the ID draggable 2, then the cursor will be of this is size. So the shape of the cursor will change in both case. And there is another class ID over there, that is containment wrapper, in which we have set the width is 90%, 95% of the total width of the viewers, and height and borders, and we have set over there. There is one defined function over there for the ID draggable. They have called the draggable function, and to this they have set the axis as a by. So by axis mean to set we can drag it vertically. This is our by axis, so vertically. And this draggable 2 for drag it axis x. So this is x axis, so it means horizontally. So how we can do this in our program? Just simply we just copy this style sheet from here, copy it from here, and here we go paste it here. Okay, and then also we need to copy this script from here. And for this I'm just using this script to be copy from here to here. So here we copy this and paste it in the script section. So I'm just making it indent. Okay, so then we have to write the div over there. So we are just have to create a div for us. So here we have to use in our x-axis, say we just wanted to move an element horizontally first. So for this I will have to take div, and here we have to use the ID, that is draggable, two. And I'm just using another class with this class, say draggable, and within this I'm just using a paragraph. Here it writes drag me horizontally, drag me horizontal. Save it. Let me see it is in the browser. So it's draggable horizontally. I won't be able to see it in the border, so I will add another line over there as border, and to this I will set the size 2 pixel of border size, and then border type as, see, I'm taking it dashed, and I'm setting its color as gray. Okay, save it. refresh. It's fantastic. Now we just wanted to make another div to drag it horizontally, so I'm just copying this and here we go, paste. In this case I have to set its ID as draggable. I just wanted to move it vertically, and here I write drag me vertically. Save it, refresh it, drag me vertically. Okay, this cannot be moved horizontal and this cannot be moved vertical, so this is there. And then we are having to move another two features over there, as like I am contained within the box. There, look at this box. This box is within our view area, body area, so of the browser. So this is draggable within the box only, and this is draggable within its parents only. Okay, so here in this case we have draggable 3, and draggable 3 has containment, and in the containment we have called id containment wrapper, and here we are setting scroll false. Okay, so we have set the publish scroll false, that we don't want scroll bar over here in this case. However, in case if we go beyond this, so if you see go beyond this, we automatically the scroll bar appear over this vertical scroll bar. If we move it here, you see at the bottom horizontal scroll bar automatically appear, but in this case we don't want scroll bar. So what we simply have to do, we just, I'm here in this case I'm just going to copy these. Okay, now from here this and to this, I'm just copy this and here we go, paste. I am contained within box. Yeah, within the box here I can write it as I am stuck within the box. Save it, here we go, refresh it. Some error so there, so with this is the problem. So correct it here we go, refresh it. It says that I am stuck within this box. It cannot go beyond this box, but we can move this. So to this class I'm just giving one more line over here as margin to its top around say 400 pixel. Save it here we go, refresh it. It is somewhere here. Okay, so this is stuck within this. Now we just have to use this, that is stuck in the parents. So what is there is this, we just use copy this from here to here, and here we go, copy here and here we paste it. So here we have used the div class draggable and UI biscuit, yeah. And here in this case we just want to drag the text, that is text to be paragraph, that is for this I have used the draggable for over here. So that is the difference. So here we go, refresh it and see I'm contained in parent, so it cannot go beyond this. Okay, this can be, this go beyond this. Okay, that's all for now. How we can use draggable in our pages using Java query, jQuery UI. That all for now. See you in the next video.